In this video, I will discuss how to modify display settings for a Windows PC from the Settings application. So you right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings, and you can adjust the brightness. You can make it dim if you want to conserve battery power, and real bright if you have full power and want a very bright projection. There's also this helpful built-in feature called Nightlight that makes the screen a bit more reddish hues to help with the circadian rhythm, where during the day blue light helps your brain stay awake, and at night red light puts you to sleep. So if you have a lot of blue light late as you're working late into the night, you'll have trouble going to bed and getting a good night's sleep. So if you have red light, it will improve your quality of sleep. So there's the softwares that will change the settings so you can make it real red. You can turn it all the way off. You can schedule it. There's this option to use the automatic calculated time, so you don't have to recalculate every day when the sun rises and what the sunset is. This will take whatever time what your location is into account, where you can set specific hours into an increment of 5 minutes. You can also change the app size. Be aware that changing this may have unintended effects. This might make things more accessible. So, as for the display resolution, if you want to increase or decrease it,